Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 8 of virtual learning. Today I'm just going to go over the instructions that you have in front of you. They're very simple today. So we're going to do a mindful minute. The mindful minute we suggest that you guys do before you begin your math unit. Today you are going to be taking the chapter 13 topic test for math. So we suggest that you go ahead and do your mindful minute before that. This mindful minute is called Victorious, and it is about just being confident and just trying to get you to relax and not have those nerves when you're taking your test today. All right, so here's how math's gonna go. What you're gonna do first is we've been practicing perimeter for a while now. You're going to go ahead and click this YouTube video. This is gonna do a review of perimeter for you guys before you take your test. After you watch the review, please log on to the Envisions website. When you get onto Envisions, you're going to go to classes at the top of your Pearson page and click on it. Look for the Digital Enhanced Topic Test. If you can't find it, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There might be a second page to open. You're going to find your Digital Enhanced Topic Test the same way you find a digital quick check that we do when we're in centers. So go the same way you do that. You're taking the Digital Enhanced Topic Test for Topic 13. Please take the test. Boys and girls, make sure you are using scrap paper. You're reading the questions carefully. If you have a parent there, you can have them read you the question. All right, we strongly suggest using scrap paper. We do not need to see your scrap paper, but using scrap paper will help you avoid making some mistakes. All right. After you take your test, you're going to be doing some English, all right? For English, you're going to read Judy Moody Saves the World. It's a realistic fiction. Before you read the story elements on page, review the story elements on page 12 and 13. Then read the first chapter, Batty for Banana Peels, from Judy Moody Saves the World. You're only reading the first chapter, which is pages 14 to 23. While you're reading, pay attention to the details about the setting. All right, vocabulary for today. You are going to be describing either two or one thing, depending on what it says, that relate to each vocabulary word. So here, list 2 things that can recycle. We might be bringing this down to 1, so if it just has 1, just list 1, because we understand that your math test is going to be a lot today, so we don't want to bombard you with a lot of English today. After that, watch the video and answer the question in complete sentences. You need to prove your answer and use evidence from the video. Explain it, so you should be using RICEs. The question you're answering is right here. Why do cats purr? Restate your question, answer the question, use evidence from the video, and explain, all right, how that relates. That's it for today, boys and girls. Remember, take your time on your math test. Don't stress about it. If you're really, really stuck on something, leave a comment in here, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day, boys and girls, and hopefully we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.